Can we get good TIG welds when you combine a Chinese stainless steel V-band and a 5-year-old spray painted mild steel exhaust? Only one way to find out. We got these pipes prepped inside and out, so now I'm going to go ahead and Scotch-Brite down the V-bands and hit everything with alcohol. Look at all that junk. Brand new part. Important test before you weld.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh no!
Oh.
Oh yeah, and we're going to be doing an AFR bung too. I fucked up.
I'm leaving a bad fucking Yelp review. This is fucking ridiculous now.